manufacturing industry is going through a very significant transformation today. If you look at the history of manufacturing, there was always a focus on manufacturing a product at very high quality, low cost. And what is happening today is manufacturers not only have to manufacture those products, but they also have to support new emerging business models in terms of providing an end-to-end connected customer experience, in terms of providing new industrial IoT services to their customers. And technology is playing a key role in enabling these new business models. This technology could be the usage of industrial IoT capabilities in terms of connectivity, or leveraging advanced analytics, including artificial intelligence, to get insights that can support new predictive business models, and as well as mixed reality capabilities, because right now you're in a position where manufacturers can operate and service their equipment from anywhere in the world. They could have an expert sitting in the headquarters, and they could have staff sitting in remote parts of the world, but with mixed reality, they're able to interact and collaborate and do those service operations in a very efficient manner at a fraction of the cost compared to before. If you look at the business benefit these emerging technologies are driving in manufacturing, it's phenomenal. In fact, one of the reports from Goldman Sachs talks about $500 billion of cost savings when companies use virtualization capabilities, real-time communication, and cobots. In fact, the companies that are not leveraging these capabilities see improvements anywhere from 2.9 to 3.6%. And so the companies who are on the leading edge are seeing 10x improvement compared to the others. You're seeing the computing power increase exponentially even today, and with these advanced capabilities coming with quantum computers, you can only imagine the opportunities of the future.